building, but then they just put silk all over the walls to make it look like a tent.
Okay, that's
so
better.
much better.
Really?
But it's so much
You're making my
more
home state look
than
bad.
So okay,
Well, they
so
have plenty of ways. People still remarked on how inconsolable Michael had been. But when they went home, he and his son,
Nope.
the house
Nissan driver.
They would eat spaghetti right from the pot like a couple of bachelor Slavs. And that he was very cold. He would freeze to death if someone didn't come.
Nice cut off.
Frightened all over again, he struggled and thrashed his way into a city.
Left turn regret. Tesla.
You hear that, Anna? If you're listening, I'll take our 25,000th anniversary off. I'll sleep in, I promise.
Massol left.
oh, there you go. Yeah.
Fifth, he picked the New York Rangers. Fourth, he picked
Really?
the Redskins in the Washington Capitals. Third, the Devils.
Technology in the U.S. Zoomful, so let your friends remain picked.
Red light run.
And we're full. We throw in the pass rush, and we'll see. It's going to be a tough team to beat.
Really?
See, the Chargers are complete. They're not.
Come on, move your ass.
Complete.
Move your ass.
That's all I'm saying when he wins.
And there's absolutely no one behind me. You could have went anyway if you, at the same time, if you didn't sit there.
You know, and this will be a
No, 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 no. You can't cut through the thing. You gotta wait for the lanes to merge to do that.
Stockholm stories are kind of sticking with me. He thought he'd get bored and need some light reading as the wind tore
Nice cut off.
December 13th, 1912, the three men made camp on a glacier and took stock of their supplies. Having used up a great deal of them, they abandoned and hustled a quarter-mile back to the last crevasse they had crossed, fearing the worst. Where just moments before both Xavier and Mawson had traveled without incident, there was now a void 11 feet across and impossibly deep. Mawson crawled on his belly to the edge of this new yawning nothingness and looked
hard.
Far down.
Then, near the end of that summer vacation,
nice cut off.
For the first time, he fell in love with any bird. He started lying, the motor sputtered, then caught. This time it was a whole rattling series of backfires.
That exit dive up there.
Opened up with a machine gun on Laurel Drive, Libertyville, USA. Well, someone would call the cops.
Really? You wait this long to merge over?
Grab Arnie for
nice
driving
cut
an
off.
unregistered, uninspected vehicle, and probably for the nuisance charge as well. Only 17, still under the impression that people could be shown where their best interests lay. You could get into a nickel poker game. So you plug just like a whole fucking wad into that car.
Nice cut off.
It's going to become a very familiar action. Arnie, please, and that's total shutdown. It's the expression a man gets on his face when you tell him the woman he loves is whoring around.
Nope again, because you're an asshole. Wait, I'm in Massachusetts. I gotta say masshole more often. Masshole!
The door cut off his final word. Arnie had gotten out and was headed briskly across to the inn door, his boots kicking up little puffs of new snow. Is he always that cheery?
Is that an exit dive?
Or does he get taciturn?
I think it was.
He's
it may have
sweet.
been.
Bad vibes. The hitchhiker said suddenly, making her actually catch her breath. His words were flat.
She could see Arnie through the plate glass window, standing fifth or sixth in line. He wouldn't get up to the counter for a while. She found herself imagining the hitchhiker suddenly clicking his gloved hands around her
throat. Of course, she could reach the horn ring, but with the horn sound, she found herself doubting.
Exit regret. A nice cut off.
She found herself thinking she could hit the horn 99 times and it would hold. One of the manufacturer's stickers on the bright yellow chalk marks with the gas jockey's furry wheel guides. I shivered a little.
Nice cut off.
To convey to something weird.
Yeah, look at all the space behind them. Just merge there.
It was a red-colored sweater that clung loving-colored slacks.
Hey,
This inexplicable lateness in a girl who was almost always perfectly on time might have been on purpose.
He decided to pursue a different exotic animal plan. In 1911,
nice cut off.
He organized a publicity stunt for a matchstick company at Animal House close of Frederick Duquesne. It is far from over. After being forced to give up the hippo idea, he decided to pursue a different exotic animal plan. In 1911,
nice cut off.
He organized a publicity stunt for a matchstick company. And of course, authorities were skeptical, so they tested him. The way they did that was
Exit
by
dive.
stabbing him in the legs and under his toenails with sharp.
Man, even though it would be impossible to tell from just a skull whether you were dealing with a male or female specimen, especially if it's an unknown species where you don't even have like average sizes to
There's
work
like
with.
two solid white lines you can't really cross. I think that means no. You can't do that.
Refer to it as a man.
Wasn't speaking fucking Flemish or French like fucking savage. This is a British fossil. That's so stupid. We can see the loss
Exit
of
dive.
several teeth.
Nissan driver.
Ancient wine gum, if you pay.
Capsized it and killed 13 people. Were they all waiting around trying to get selfies with it? What the fuck?
The first guy I blame had the 12th.
Wait, what the fuck is that? Really? What the? We got right of way here.
And that is the downside.
Really?
The upside is they used a Disney.
Also, this is the most important part. Hippos do something called muck spreading. In order to mark their territory, they take...
Okay, this has got to be the most common thing on this street. Like, really? Just wait until the traffic goes away and then turn. Like, is it really that hard?
They also uncovered a few Stone Age tools in the Piltdown area, and among those tools was a glove made from a fossilized elephant bone. But here's the thing.
Nope. Oh, right in front of pedestrians. Good idea there. Yeah, what an asshole behind me. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's kind of, sort of, for real, because even though there's a no truck in the left lane rule in Massachusetts, that truck is okay because it's kind of a small one. Maybe he's okay, maybe not, I don't know, I don't care. I'm just singing this song because I haven't sang the song in a while, and I usually end these videos with singing a stupid song. So no, he cannot be there, but it's kind of okay, I guess. And oh look, he's moving over, so it's fine. What am I gonna do? Oh well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos! Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!